I just wanted to show you this. You're going to crack up with this. Here's the loft area up here, okay? And on this particular one, there's just a little ladder here. I don't know if I showed you this or not before, but it was very difficult to get up there. See that hook, that little hand grabber right there? There's one there, and there's one up there, and there used to be one over here. Well, I ended up taking that off, and look what I put there instead. A nice stainless steel grab bar. Grab bars are for bathroom areas, for toilet, around toilets and stuff like that. But I put the grab bar right there, so it's easier to grab on there. You can hang on as you're sliding your hand up without getting these little hand holds. You got something like that. There's an idea for you. All right, time to get busy and get up there. Okay, I wasn't going to show you this part, but it's really tricky getting up there with just one hand. And that's why I put that grab bar on there. Because I've got to grab onto this here, this candle, and this at the same time. Just slide my hand up. If I just had those grab things, I'd have to raise my hand off and try to grab it. And it's very difficult to do. Okay. That's how I'm going to get up there, using that grab bar. Is this an approved handrail or ladder system for a loft? I'm not sure. I don't think it is, but sometimes you got to do what you got to do. Carry my construction light down, and that's why I like this grab bar. I can just slide my hand down instead of grab and then try to grab something else. You might need to get one of those for your steep ladder. Oh yeah.